Heck yeah, brother. The Lord loves the godly. The Lord protects the foreigners among us. He cares for the orphans and widows, but he frustrates the plans of the wicked. What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Bring y'all with me on another trip. We'll do a little kayaking and camping. Literally, it is what it sounds. We're playing a kayaking. We're playing a kayak from one destination to another destination, camp there for the night, and then kayak to the last destination and conclude the trip. This is like super impromptu, super like kind of just last minute, but sometimes last minute trips make the best memory. Just got done pumping some gas, filled up, about to head out. Peace. All right, y'all, so after a short 3-hour drive, we're finally at Crazy Horse River, and it's actually a shuttling service that'll take us 16 miles up. You can see right there over there in the corner, they're getting the bus ready right now. My wife is going in to use the bathroom, but pretty cool people. As you can see, they do a lot of shuttling, crazy amount of kayaks, but we all have our own kayaks. We kind of packed everything out so we can just load our kayaks up, get shuttled up river, and then kayak and camp the whole way. I think the way we did it, pretty much, you got a gallon of water per person. I think that's like the rule of thumb or whatever. Kind of just got everything stacked. Tent, old battery package I probably need to throw away so I don't end up littering. Got an air mattress up under there somewhere, food pack and a little backpack cooler right here. Shovel, stuff like that. You know, just an essentials.
Water, gallon each, like one.
Should be all we need for a day. First time taking it's not my first time taking this thing, just kayaking other than fishing, but from what I've learned, it does not do it's not super fast, and it's a little bit deeper than the normal kayak, but it's super stable. Yeah, that's yours.
Right there.
So, I'm excited. Keep y'all updated. This will be pretty much overnight camping trip. This is my first time doing primitive camping where it's not like a campsite. So it's a lot of firsts this time around, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. And we got a good chance of having a really good time. It's like 90 degrees right now. It's a little warm for sure, but with the river being right there, I think it's gonna be pretty nice. Right now, like I said, we're just waiting on the shuttle to pick us up so we can go to the next campsite or go to the next drop off. So the shuttle will pick us up, take us to the drop off. We kayak back at this point, and that's the end of the trip. That makes sense.
The shuttle service arrived and it's time to load our kayaks and get downstream. He was helpful, kind, and friendly. He also taught me a trick with hook placement on tie downs that I won't forget. Looking back on it, his kind and cool demeanor seemingly foreshadowed the trip to come.
Sure. Yeah, I remember that too. Yes, sir. Okay, gotcha. This just got dropped off by the last human interaction we'll have for 30 days. Caleb was gonna feed us, provide for us for 30 days with his fishing rod and worms. You got a pot though, right? Yeah. We're good then. But yeah, guys, we just got dropped off. We're gonna do the 2-day kayaking trip. Super excited. This water is freaking beautiful. Super cold. It's gonna be a good trip. I'm already excited for it.
While preparing for this trip, being a first responder at heart, my mind was constantly thinking of what we needed to have and what we needed in case of emergency. But as we floated down the cool and steady river, my worries washed away and excitement rolled in. From the cool spring water dripping off the cliffs to the strong yet smooth rapids, I knew this was going to be good.
Heck yeah, brother! Ooh! Ooh! You're more stable than everybody else. It's a trade-off. Need to get away from these rocks. That is pretty cool though. Nope. So we just found it, like, we thought it was gonna be a random camp, or a good camp spot when we were like way back upriver, and we came around and seen this chair. And we don't know how to feel about that. How do you feel about it, babe? It's a little weird for sure. Maybe somebody just, you know, brought it out, just left it out here. That is weird. It may have washed down river, and somebody just like, oh, this chair is already here, so we just gonna leave it here.
I'm hungry.
You gotta watch your kayak. Don't let it, cause it'll float away. Something like scraped this. This is like tire tracks on it.
Yeah.
Look at this, dude. Oh. It's like a freaking aquarium. It's like a little pool. Heck yeah.
My mama doesn't know where I am.
That's crazy. Dude, this is nice.
Mama know where you are?
No. We need to set up camp right here.
Yeah.
This is freaking nice.
Oh look, someone did set up camp here.
Yeah.
They live in it.
There's a bunch of tadpoles in here.
Huh?
There's a bunch of like tadpoles in here. It's a bunch of tadpoles.
No, it's not.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
I'm glad I got these sandwiches. Very good. $13.
Oh, that feels so good.
Oh, I did an apple. Yeah. I have my baby. 3, 2, 1.
Nina, you gotta do it. Look. Nina.
It's
look.
so cold right
Bro, it is not. Nina, look. You gotta like control your breathing, like, and then like accept it. So you're a firefighter. Come on. This is nothing but fire. Get baptized by fire all the way in.
I'm all the way in.
No, you're not.
Your
You
face.
gotta put your
Put
head.
your face in there. No, don't get out. You're staying here. Look, it's good.
Getting straighter.
Oh shoot, it's so good.
Yeah, it's cold.
It is a cold one.
Wow, this is my first.
Wow, nature. Kind of sort.
Oh, but look how beautiful it is. Like, just to give you a reference to how clear this water is, check this out.
Even though we wanted to stop here for good, we knew we still had all of 12 miles left ahead of us. So after enjoying it for a little while, we decided to get back to it. Rest hadn't found us just yet.
Oh, that's a good campsite site right there. That's a good campsite right there. Huh? You could try. Pedal harder. Huh? It's a tooth. You use this to cook on.
That's what I'm used for racking more.
Oh my gosh. Seriously. You can use this as a hammer. I mean, a plate to cook on. All you gotta do is clean it. What? It is a bone. It looks like a femur. I don't know if it's human femur or not. Found firewood. Where you going? Bro, we gotta keep looking for firewood. Gotta keep looking for firewood. That ain't my business. All right, y'all, so just an update. We built the fire, warmed up some burritos. Kind of found a little bed to camp on. Let's just hope it don't rain or thunderstorm and just take us away, but we should be fine. So this gave out on me. I think it got wet and just shorted it out. I'm gonna try to warm it up by the fire to try to evaporate the liquid out of it. But if that doesn't work and you don't see any more footage, then that's why. But we'll see. Stay tuned. This is amazing. Camp is pretty cool. Setup today is a tent. We got a little tent fan / flashlight right here. And this mattress has some battery power in it, aired up. We just got that. So if we get in there, sweet, that's gonna be our view right there. Pretty cool. But all right, y'all. Till next time. So last night, pretty much what happened was, charger got wet, couldn't use anything, but we pretty much fixed everything. So today, we're gonna try to get it back together. Charger's working, so we should have a video of the rest of the trip. Slept like king last night. AC, you can see everything through the tent. Air mattress did pretty good. So yeah, we're about to start starting now. Try to make some cowboy coffee, which is pretty much just coffee grains in the bottom of a pot. Because we left the coffee machine we was gonna use. This all good. Adapt, improvise, overcome, right? Something like that. I think it's still embers in this. Let's see. Recording video. coffee. They can warm the burritos up on this side. So this is the oven right here, and that's the stove top. This is our little oven on this side. We had a really flat rock yesterday. I don't know what we did with it. Oh, it's right here. This is our burrito warmer right here. And pretty much just sit it right here like this, and then we're gonna set the burritos on top of that.
Can you wait till it's boiling?
It's gonna be the same. It's gonna be strong. What if it's somewhere you can sit it? Win some, you lose some. I think. That's good, right? Until that fire shifts. You gotta watch it. They probably need to be turned over.
I think to get the coffee, all you gotta do is scoop it with the cup. Just try not to get the ground.
Yeah. Put it down here now. It's gonna be a lot of coffee grounds regardless. But hot. Alright. I'm gonna try to pour some coffee.
Inside.
One you
Just pour me some.
Uh,
I'll try it like that. Just whatever. Do it. You're fine. See, that's perfect. Keep going.
I don't want to burn your finger. My cup.
Yeah. It tastes good. Coffee. You can't really taste it a lot. You got the pot at the bottom.
They're so fine. Because it's Cafe Bustelo.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
First time trying cowboy coffee. Let's see how it turned out. It's good. Dang, that coffee's hot.
The cowboy coffee, as I called it, was pretty good.
It's good though.
Just as good as it was hot. The grain sunk to the bottom, making it easy to pour. The chorizo, egg, and cheese burrito was pretty good too. Pair that with a misty morning and the Babbling River, and you'll get a moment in time that you wish you could have forever. But just like the river, time has to flow on, and so do we.
The only thing that people will probably have a problem with
Psalms 146. Praise the Lord. Let all that I am praise the Lord. I will praise the Lord as long as I live. I will sing praises of my God with my dying breath. Don't put your confidence in powerful people, there is no help for you there. When they breathe their last, they return to the earth, and all their plans die with them. But joyful are those who have the God of Israel as their helper, whose hope is in the Lord their God. He made heaven and earth, the sea, and everything in them. He keeps every promise forever. He gives justice to the oppressed and food for the hungry. The Lord frees the prisoners. The Lord opens the eyes of the blind. The Lord lifts up those who are weighted down. The Lord loves the godly. The Lord protects the foreigners among us. He cares for the orphans and widows, but he frustrates the plans of the wicked. The Lord will reign forever. He will be your God, O Jerusalem, throughout the generations. Praise the Lord. All right, guys, packed up camp, about to head out. It was truly a beautiful night. Got kind of worried when the camera wasn't working, but I prayed this morning and I asked God, like, please let this camera work. This is some great content, and the charger started working last night, so I charged it up and got some content for y'all. We're gonna keep on moving, keep on jiving, keep on grooving. See y'all in a minute. Peace.
There's a total of 3 bridges on the float that you can use to know how far you are from completing the float. We were at the 2nd, which meant we only had 2 more miles until the 3rd, which is home. So being warm from paddling for the last few hours, we found a pretty good spot to swim one last time. And have a little fun too.
This will be your campsite too.
It'll be a nice campsite.
Oh, second bridge. So you're not stopping.
Yeah, we only got 2 more miles left.
Let's just chill here for a little bit.
That's it. We're stopping here. It's too late. We're stopping here.
Stop.
She's not gonna be able to make. She ain't gonna make. Yeah, she did. Yeah, I ain't going nowhere. What? What? It's funny? You are. Are you having fun? You actually gotta have a. You actually gotta know how to use a life jacket. Some people will like turn over the wrong way. You're supposed to learn that. Let's see if I can still throw it. Now I used to be pretty decent at it. See if I still got it. I'm on about 10 feet. Not far enough back. If you hit on the flat, you're not far enough back. Can you go back a little bit more? You can always let it slide out of your hand. It's also a really good way to break the tip off your knife, by the way. Before you start trying to do this, just remember that you don't want this to be a knife. You just want to keep the tip on. There we go. Got one. It goes in pretty deep too. It's a good one. Kinda. Alright. One more and I'm out. One more. Yep. Figured it out. You gotta put some oomph into it. Gotta put some oomph in it. Gotta put some oomph in it. Look. This one. It's flat on the bottom. Oh, this is a good one. It's like a disc. Didn't go far. I thought you gotta have a mix of like weight and flatness. Like this one better. Yeah. Oh, that slipped out of my hand. Look at this big one.
I almost hit Caleb.
That's a good one, Caleb.
I almost hit Caleb.
Look at this.
You guys think this is another arrow?
You just need size and weight, and it'll go. Size, weight, and flatness. I don't know.
You think it's another arrow?
Kind of looks like it. Like a piece of pizza.
Yeah.
That's the third bridge, gang. We here. I was talking to the chat. Nah. But yes, third bridge. We made it. All right, guys, that concludes the camping trip, kayaking the Buffalo River. It was a good time, man. It was great. I recommend it. This is a Crazy Horse. I think it's Crazy Horse on the Crazy. I don't know. I can't remember the name of it. I'll link it down in the description. But if you're in this area, definitely come check it out. I had a great time, bro. Great time. Tell them you want to do the 16 miler. I think they also have a 20 miler. I think it's 2 days as well, but I'm not sure. Just come up here and ask them. Figure out for yourself. Until next time. Peace.